monitoring multiple computers at once at the same time. So this is how the Wolfeye Remote Screen dashboard works. That's what I will show you in this video. So basically, Wolfeye Remote Screen is a computer monitoring software that you install. It's you saw it in the last video how fast the installation process was. In less than a minute, you have installed it. You install it on each of your business computers, and after you installed it, you will be able to see the live computer screen for each of these computers using this dashboard. You will receive the link to your personal dashboard. What you see here is the demo dashboard. You could also visit this website. And that's why the password to the dashboard is displayed here so that you could also log in to see how it works. But this is the demo. But in your case, you will set your own password. So I log into the dashboard. And this is what you will get, basically. You will be able to see each live computer screen for each of the computers, in this case 5, that you have installed Wolfeye Remote Screen. And in this case, this is a demo dashboard. That's why you only see a picture. But in reality, you will see the live screen for each of the computers that you have installed, the live. And a live screen means it will be a screenshot updated every 2 seconds, every 2 to 3 seconds. So you have this time lag of 2 seconds, 3 seconds. And if you wanted to see bigger screens, so to speak, you could change the columns here on the top of the page so that you have much bigger screens. You will be able to better monitor what's going on there. Or you would like to have more screens, 3 columns, so you have a better overview. If you would like to have even more columns, just contact us. This is no problem to adjust. It's just that you cannot adjust it by yourself, but we will adjust it for you, of course. Also, you will have the possibility to right mouse click on one of these screens on this live link, live, you read it, right? And open in a new tab. And if you open in a new tab, you will be able to see the one, so to speak, a closer look on that particular screen. It will be a big screen. You will see exactly what is being done there on that particular screen. And also, you could, if you wanted, this is not enabled, but you could enable it, enable screenshot history, so that you hit this screenshot, right mouse click on it, and every 5 minutes a screenshot is saved for that particular computer, so you can check what has been done, the history of the activity on that particular computer. So this is basically how Wolfeye Remote Screen works. So if you would like to use Wolfeye Remote Screen on your computer, then go to our website wolfeye.co, in English, of course, and hit this 40-day free trial and book a demo session with me. It will be with me. Select the date, select the time. Very important, because probably we'll be in different time zones. Enter your name, email, phone number, because probably I will call you then on WhatsApp. I will send you confirmation on WhatsApp. And maybe you can tell me how many computers you want to monitor, because if you only wanted to monitor one computer, you might not need the dashboard. You might only need the live screen, the live link to that particular screen. Anyways, and this demo session, we will use Google Meet to do the demo session, because in Google Meet I will be able to share my screen or you your screen, and Wolfeye will be installed on my computer, and I will send you the link to my dashboard so that you, doesn't matter where you are in the world, will see my screen, my live screen, either on your smartphone, either on your remote computer, either on your laptop. You will see my live screen, so to speak, and that will be the way you will see your live screens remotely if you install it on your business computers. And also, I can guide you through the installation process. It's very easy to install. I will send you the download link, guide you through installation on 1 or 2 computers, so you will be able to install it yourself for your remaining computers. So come to our website, wolfeye.co, and schedule a demo session with me. See you in the next video.